Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chris, and in today's video tutorial I'll teach you how to receive coin on your Trust wallet. So what you need to do is you need to install Trust wallet. Go to your Play Store and install Trust wallet. Then once you install, go ahead to create your wallet account. So once you create your wallet account, you'll be on this same interface, and the next thing you need to do is to decide which coin you want to receive on your Trust wallet. So if you don't see any of those coin on this interface, any of the cryptocurrency on this interface, all you need to do is click on this toggle here at the top right corner. So once you click on it, you can always search for the coin you want to receive. So let's say I want to receive Dogecoin. So I search for Doge. So you can see all I need to do now is to click on the toggle, the gray toggle here. Click on it for it to become white, for it to become blue. So once I click on that, I have switched it on. So you can always find it here. You can see this is Dogecoin here. So what you need to do next is click on Dogecoin and click on receive. You can see the receive here. So once you click on receive, all you need to do now is to copy this address. So once you copy this address, then you can paste it to whoever wants to send you the coin, the Dogecoin. And if you are getting it from an exchange, you can always paste this address on the exchange. So guys, that's how to receive cryptocurrency on your Trust wallet. Please ensure you subscribe, drop a like, and turn on the notification bell so that you can get more updates from me. Thank you.